So guys, suppose we want to apply some effect like zoom in and zoom out with our camera tool. But sometimes we may face problem like this where the camera tool is grayed out. As the camera tool is grayed out, we cannot able to use it to create a new camera layer or use the camera effects. So how to fix this problem? It's really simple. Go to right side, properties, dock, under document settings, we have the mode settings. Single left click, enable use advanced layer. Check the box, turn on advanced layers, then press on OK. Now we can easily use our camera tool wherever we want. So guys, that's how easily we can enable camera tool in Adobe Animate. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.